Good news if you're owning a DJI Pocket 3, and of course, as we all know, DJI needs, and it's only work with this type of microphones, all DJI products. But as of today, we discover that even if cheapest microphone in the market that you can get today, I only grabbed this for 300 pesos, I think. So this is nothing but probably just cheap one. But this one is definitely going to work on your DJI Pocket 3. Let me show you how. So you just turn on your Pocket 3 mobile. Now that our Pocket 3 is turned on, all we have to do is at the back of this, so I am using the battery extender, we plug in this receiver. It's just a cheaper microphone that I got I'm not sure if it's demo or Facebook. Just plug it in and you will see the lights coming out from that receiver there, so you can see that light over there. So, and now our DJI is ready for it. As you can see, that audio receiver signal is pumping out. And we can try this one. So this is definitely on, and we can try this one. So mic test one, hello, test one, hello. So for this, for us to see if it is really working, we try this one here right now, and as you can see, there is a sign of an audio coming in into our microphone. So all we have to do now is see and check it out if it is really working. So let's play the video that we get from this microphone, which is really cheap microphone, and let's see, and let's play it. So mic test one, hello. As you can see there, for us to see if it is really working, try this one here right now, and as you can see, there is, yeah, it is definitely working, and it is worth of your money, saving a lot of money buying DJI product. I know this is the cheapest version you can get in the market, the DJI one, but of course it's a lot easier if you can get cheaper versions. As we all know, they work the same, almost the same. It's just some quality loss. But if you need a microphone ready to go and you're not scared of getting wet, so definitely grab one of this cheap microphone and use it in your Pocket 3. So that's the proof there that these things is work. So let me try it again one more time. So I'm gonna speak a little bit closer to the microphone. So let's see if it is gonna work. Hello, mic test one, test two, hello. And as you can see, it is really rising up to the highest audio limit there. You know that red orange color, that means we have reached the maximized allowance of the audio coming from the microphone. So now let's hear if this microphone really works well. So me stop the, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize it's not recording, so that's stupid me. Anyway, let's try this one more time. So here you go, guys. As you can hear, as you can see, that audio signal, and I am speaking really close to the microphone. The quality of this audio might not be as good as we expected, but this is definitely be working. So let me try again, and let me stop this
video and let's listen to the audio. And now we're turning on. Oops, sorry. That's supposed not to happen. Anyway, I'm just using my other hand to play this.
Anyway, let's try this one more time.
As you can hear, it is really working.
As you can see, that
So
audio
definitely
is
grab one of these
I am speaking really close to the
cheap
microphone.
version.
The
So
quality of this
it will
audio
save you a
might
lot of
not
money,
be
and
as good as
you can use
you
your
expected,
Pocket
but
3
this is
for all day
so
vlogging
let me try
using
again.
this cheap
And let me stop this
microphone. And that's it for
video
now.
and
Thanks for
let's
watching.
listen to the
Hope you
audio.
subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again.